Hey kids! Welcome to Miniatures Planet. Today we're meeting 10 tiny professions. Fun jobs that help the world every day. Let's go!
Hello, friends! I'm Dee the Doctor. I listen to your heartbeat with my stethoscope. Thump, 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 thump. I check your ears, peek at your smile, and give brave kids a sticker. My job is to help you feel better and keep you strong and healthy every day.
Woohoo! I'm Finn the Firefighter! I race in my big red truck to put out fires! Whoosh! Splash! Sometimes I climb tall ladders to rescue kittens stuck in trees. I'm always ready with my helmet and hose to keep everyone safe.
Bonjour, little cooks! I'm Charlie the chef. I mix, stir, and chop to make yummy meals. Chop, chop, stir, stir. Cupcakes, pizza, and pancakes. I love them all. Cooking is fun because I can share food with my friends.
3, 2, 1, blast off! I'm Andi the Astronaut. I zoom through space floating where there's no gravity. Boing! On the moon, I bounce like a kangaroo. And my footprints stay forever. I love exploring stars and planets. Maybe I'll meet an alien friend one day. Hello, class. I'm Tilly the teacher. I love reading stories, singing songs, and helping kids learn. A, B, C. Let's clap the alphabet together. Clap, clap, clap. Learning is like an adventure, and my classroom is full of fun.
Howdy, helpers! I'm Freddie the Farmer. I wake up early to feed the animals. Moo, cluck, neigh. I grow crunchy carrots and tall corn in my fields. Ha ha ha. Farming means taking care of plants and animals so everyone has food.
Hiya, little creators. I'm Aria the Artist. I splash paint, draw rainbows, and make colorful messes. Splat, swish. Art lets me tell stories without words. With crayons, paint, or glitter, I can turn blank paper into magic.
Let's build it up! I'm Benny the Builder. With blocks, hammers, and my hard hat, tap, tap, click, I make things strong. Houses, bridges, even sandcastles. I love building them all. Every great thing starts with a little block and a big idea.
Fasten your seatbelts. I'm Penny the Pilot. I steer planes high above the clouds. Whoosh. Sometimes I fly at night and see twinkling stars from my window. Flying is like being a bird with shiny wings. Come soar with me.
Welcome to my lab. I'm Sam the Scientist. I mix potions that bubble and fizz, glug, glug, pop. I look through microscopes to see teeny tiny things. Science is all about asking questions and discovering amazing answers.
Wow, that was amazing! Which profession was your favorite? Come back to Miniatures Planet for more fun with friends, animals, and adventures. See you soon!
Miniatures Planet.